Good morning. It's your boy Jay Journey, back again with another one. And I want to let you know right now that you are now rocking with the best, and that's you. I want to let you know that today is a beautiful day to plan to succeed, to plan to heal, and to plan to feel. And again, I'm just here with you on the journey. I also want to send out a happy birthday greeting to anyone experiencing a new day of life.
Happy birthday.
I want to share today's focus with you, and that's make sure it slaps. I'll say that one more time. Make sure it slaps. Today we're taking a look at kind of creating on an emotional level, going above and beyond, taking a look at your efforts, your production, and evaluating if it's the best that you can give. Are you passionate about what you're doing? Does it show in every effort, every breath, in your enthusiasm and your excitement? I want to share a few pieces with you about me. So all my life, I've kind of had this weird crack in my voice. I admit it's a sign of emotion, but I also want to let you know that it shows my passion. So when people hear it, they tend to think, oh, that's a sign of weakness. But it really shows that you've unleashed this strength that's in me, the part of me that shows you how much I actually care about what I'm saying. And you all may have something similar when it comes to something that you're very passionate about, be it your child, be it your children, be it your family, be it your career, be it your faith, whatever it may be. When you have that high level of passion for what you're doing, it's going to show. So I want to let you know that it's okay to stop hiding your passion. I want to encourage you to let people hear that crack in your voice, because it may crack their spirit. I want to also share with you that, conviction is very important. This is applicable in a professional, or personal, or creative pursuit of any type that you may endeavor to pursue. If you're looking at conviction, this is the purpose that you have to do a great job, even if you face failure, to excel and to learn at a high level, even if that means that the failure is springboarding you to another opportunity. It's all about perspective, but it's about sticking to your convictions. What was the purpose in what you chose to set out to do? Only you can change that. Only you can change that. But what we also want to take a look at is kind of like some tangible examples of this. So for instance, when you're working out, I like lifting weights. When I'm doing that, I always lock in a goal. The goal may be to do 10 reps. But then when I hit 10, I'm trying to give those extra 2 or 3 and squeeze them out. If you take another look at cooking, are you putting that special seasoning on whatever you're cooking? For me, it may be, I love pound cake. So if I'm baking one, I put a little bit of extra extract in there. It could be a little bit of extra almond extract, vanilla extract, to give it that flavor that makes it a one-of-a-kind experience. So are you convicted to having an outcome that's special, having a product that's special, presenting a report that's special and uniquely presented? I don't know. You let me know. But I also want to let you know that, in that conviction, there's also that price that we pay of doing a little bit more than what's required. And of course, there are certain situations where you want to do exactly what's being requested or what you're being directed to do. But then there are those situations where you can put a little bit of extra on there, a little bit of extra you on there. So, with that being said, of course, we want to let you know that taking that extra step to add your special sauce to the mix, whether it be music, art, creating, or anything that you're doing professionally, we want to let you know that it's you that makes the difference, that you are the special sauce, and that learning to follow and serve are the foundations of learning to lead. So we just want to remind you to do your best and be who you are. It's your boy Jay Journey. Peace.